How to get followers on your Pinterest account. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get more followers on your Pinterest account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first things first, let me clear this out that we will not be using any third-party apps or third-party softwares to increase the followers on Pinterest. What I will do is I will be giving you tips and tricks on how you can focus on getting your followers up on a Pinterest account. So yeah, let's begin. So to get more followers on your Pinterest account, what you'll need to do is you'll need to be focusing on your high quality contents. Now, high quality contents can be whatever. So yeah, you can just start uploading engaging contents with consistent posting. So you will have to keep on posting. You will need to have a correct schedule that you will need to post. You cannot actually post once in a while and then just disappear. You will need to be consistent in posting. Also, you will need to engage with other users. You can collab with others. You can you can pin their photos. You can use their reposts and stuff like that. And yeah, that's one way. Now the other way that you can do is you can use your SEO to optimize your keywords and your description titles, so that whenever someone search for your Pinterest or for anything, your Pinterest should come up on top. Also, you will need to have engaging pins, so use eye-catching images and videos. Also, you can utilize your idea pins. These are a great way to share step-by-step guides, tutorials, or recipes. And yeah, you can just stick to a niche and then start posting based on that. And doing that, people with similar interest will start following you and your followers will go up on your Pinterest. And that's basically how you can get more followers on your Pinterest account. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.